Hi, I'm Alice, and I'm going to take you through how we approach workshop design and facilitation. So the first thing we do is together we would look at the workshop purpose and the workshop results that you'd like. We'd identify the audience together and the topic knowledge that they may or may not already have. We'll consider, where this workshop is going to be, what platforms we're going to use. We will unpack the key concepts and messages you want to land with the audience. We'll look at doing a workshop outline together that looks at all the exercises to create some good engagement. We'll build the actual meeting out in terms of the workshop, and then you will facilitate the meeting, or we can step in and co-facilitate with you. So let's start off with an example of a workshop. So say there was an example where you wanted to run a workshop on how to communicate really effectively with your clients over email. So you could start the interactive workshop with Let's Play Scrabble, and you can put your employees into breakout rooms and you can have groups, and the groups can play each other with Scrabble. Obviously we'll keep it short and make the exercise super simple. Then you can move on to, right, what we're going to do next is go to your inbox, look for emails that you've received in the last week from your clients or 2 weeks, and I want you to come back and say, how do these emails make you feel? So everybody goes and does that, and then they come back and they put a little dot, they vote for how the emails made them feel. Then we move on to, right, I'm sure everybody's wondering, what are we doing here playing Scrabble? Because words matter. And because clients don't remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel. So how we write and communicate with clients is super important. Let's do a little bit of a sharing exercise. I want you guys to share your expertise. So what is it in emails that gets you a good result? So again, go back, go to your sent items, go to your inbox, look for emails that really landed a good result. What was it in those emails that you think got you the good results? Come onto this board and populate this, and then we can do a little bit of a sentiment summary and see what everybody is telling us. Great, now we're going to move into tips in writing good emails. So there was a reason why we all played Scrabble in the beginning. It's because this word is going to stick. Basically, you start with what they need. It's clarity over cleverness, respect their time, you want to be brief, audience comes first, be believable, bullet or number of your points, list a deadline, and edit before you send. So with this in mind, let's go rewrite an email that didn't perhaps give you the result that you were wanting. Copy paste it down here, and using ChatGPT, go put in the prompt of Scrabble and see how it can help you. As you know, with ChatGPT, it's a great start to writing better copy, but really you've got to make it yours. So let's give that a go and come back and all give feedback. Awesome, guys. Yours in collaboration. Hope you found these tips useful. Remember Scrabble every time you pop an email to your clients.